How to help an author, paying it forward. Hashtag writers helping writers. A rising tide lifts all ships. We're all about support over here, and we all need cheerleaders. Here's a stack of ways you can help spread the word about any novel you enjoy. The literary world is rich and a wonderful place, and we can make it even better when we remember that it's community over competition. You never know when an author you help might turn around and do you a solid or pay it forward. 20 tips. 1. Pre-order the book. The bonus here is occasionally you'll get it before the release date or right on, meaning you won't have to wait or have it slip your mind. 2. Buy the book in whatever format works for you. Despite our best intentions, so many of us have to put reading for pleasure toward the end of the to-do list. The good news is you can listen to your favorite stories on audiobook or keep a copy on your e-reader or tablet when you have a few minutes between commitments or while traveling. 3. Gift the book. Books are great gifts for holidays, birthdays, or just a little special something for someone sweet. I also like doing the one for me, one for you thing. Sometimes if I spot something I fall in love with, I'll get a second one for someone else who I think would enjoy it. You can also leave a copy at a library, coffee shop, and there are super cool projects like the Little Free Library, which accept donations. Amazon has an easy gift the book feature, so if you know the person's email address, you're good to go and can send them an ebook instantly. 4. Read the book. Duh, right? But you can introduce it to your book group, or start one. They're great fun, and there's usually food with lots of laughter too. Check the author's website for questions or talking points specifically tailored for the book to get you started. 5. Spread the word. Ask for the book by name at your bookstore or library. Tell your friends, family, coworkers, fellow book nerds what a great read you've discovered. If you know people in influential positions, for example, those who work at magazines, for websites, in schools, libraries, media outlets, or just during casual dinner convo, talk it up. 6. Leave a review. Don't let this intimidate you if it's not something you typically do, or if you enjoy sharing your opinions and thoughts, let the words flow. You can leave reviews on Goodreads, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, BookBub, and many other book review sites. Hint, if you're not a wordsmith, just leaving a star rating is very much appreciated. You can also copy-paste the same review across sites. 7. Post a blog. If you have a blog, even if it isn't a book review blog, write up a post, recommendation, or request promote materials like a media kit from the author for an easy cut and paste. If you don't have a blog, but there is one you enjoy reading that is open to contributions, inquire about sharing a post of that awesome book that you just couldn't put down. 8. Amplify. If you're active on social media, take a photo of the book and post it, retweet, or repost items related to the book to followers and friends. It isn't called the World Wide Web for nothing. Gets memo? Oh, we don't call it that anymore? Okay, got it. 9. Spread the word. Yes, again, share what you enjoyed about the book with the author in a tweet, Facebook post, email, or an in-person author event. Which brings me to 10. Attend an event. Check your favorite author's website for appearances. The folks who host the event are always happy when you purchase books, have them signed, and participate with friendly enthusiasm. 11. Hang out online. Chat up your favorite titles on book forums or other related online communities. 12. Follow and friend. Follow your favorite author's socials. 13. Subscribe. If you're a fan, you'll get first word on when the author has new releases, news, and more. You can then share this with your peeps. 14. Swag. Some authors have book swag, some don't. You can always make your own. Luna Love Goods radish earrings, anyone? There's some Dazzle and Zazzle and Etsy. These items also make great gifts along with a copy of the book, and chocolate or tea always goes over well with readers. 15. Pin it. Add the cover to your bookish Pinterest board. 16. Donate. Need to donate something to a raffle, giveaway, or auction? A book is a great contribution, and it does double duty by promoting literacy. 17. Author pages. Amazon and BookPub have author pages with a feature where you can follow your favorite authors. This way, you get info about upcoming releases and recommendations for similar books you may enjoy. 18. Turn it out. At your brick-and-mortar bookstores, if you see a favorite book, turn it cover out to get more views by other customers. 19. Expose. If browsing Kindles, Nooks, or other e-readers, search for the book and leave the page open. The next person to check out their e-reader will see it. 20. Vote. If you see your favorite book is in the running for an award or recommendation, your vote matters. Cast it. Phew, that was a long list, but as you can see, there are both big and small ways you can support books and authors, some of which you may already do. If you know of any other great ways to help support and promote your favorite authors and books, please share in our Facebook group.